Yes, so now we are discussing about countries. In that, today we are discussing about the country Micronesia. The Federated States of Micronesia is a country spread across the western Pacific Ocean, comprising more than 600 islands. Micronesia is consisting of 600 islands, means it is wonder. Micronesia is made up of 4 island states: Pohini, Pohnpei, Kosrae, Chuuk and Yap. The country is known for palm-shaded beaches, wreck-filled dives and ancient ruins, including non-model sunken basalt temples and burial vaults, and that extended out of a lagoon on Pohnpei. This is the Micronesia. So another wonder is country Micronesia is consisting of more than 600 islands, means it is wonder. And the capital city of Micronesia country is Palikir. And dialing code is +691. That means those who are interested to talk with their friends and relatives, in Micronesia country, they can start in their mobile number +691 and their mobile number, then it will go automatically. And the currency is United States dollar, and the population is 1.20 lakhs, that is approximate. And continent is Oceania. Continent is Oceania. Official language is English. And the next point is Micronesia part of the US? Today, most of Micronesia are independent states except for the US Commonwealth of the Northern Mariana Islands, Guam and Wake Island, which are US territories. And the next point is, are the Philippines part of Micronesia? The region of Micronesia lies between the Philippines and Hawaii and encompasses more than 2,000 islands, most of which are small and many of which are found in clusters. Next point is, what race is Micronesians? Based on the current scientific consensus, the Micronesians are considered by linguistic, archaeological and human genetic evidence to be a subset of the sea migrating Austronesian people, who include the can US citizens live in Micronesia? Next point is, can US citizens live in Micronesia? Visas for Micronesia. Citizens of the US, other Micronesian and some Polynesian countries such as Fiji and Tonga, citizens of the US don't need a visa to travel to Micronesia. However, people coming from other countries will need a visa to stay longer than 60 days. For stays over 30 days, entry permit is required. That is enough. So if you want to go to Micronesian country for 30 days, only entry permit is enough. It is more than 30 days, you should take visa permission. And the next point is, what language is spoken in Micronesia? That is English. English is West German language of the Indo-European language family, with its earliest forms spoken by the inhabitants of early medieval England. It is named after the angels, one of the ancient Germanic peoples that migrated to the island of Great Britain. What is the next point is, what is the main religion in Micronesia? According to government statistics, approximately 99% of the population identifies as Christian. Several Protestant denominations and the Roman Catholic Church and present in every state. According to government statistics, 55% of long-term residents are Catholic and 42% are Protestant. And the next point is, what is Micronesian food? The main staple foods in the Federated States of Micronesia are taro, yam, breadfruit, and breadfruit, banana, and coconuts, of which there are hundreds of varieties. The staple foods from the ocean are the many reef and pelagic fish, crabs, shellfish, pig and chicken. And the next point is Micronesia a good place? Is Micronesia a good place to live? The federated state of Micronesia, a peaceful and laid-back nation which consists of four separate islands, Chuk, Yap and Pohnpei and Kwasare, has a low crime and tax rates and a steadily increasing tourism industry, making Micronesia a dream location for expats. Next point is what is the most popular sport in Micronesia? Popular sports of Micronesia is football, baseball, basketball and track and field. This is the information regarding Micronesia country. Why I did this video is those who are interested to go to Micronesia country for educational purpose or business purpose or traveling purpose, they should know the basic fundamentals. For that only I did this video. Wishing you all the best.